Hi friends, welcome back to Markets and Economics. In this video, we are covering one of the most important topics in trading, key technical analysis terms, the concepts that help you understand when to buy, when to sell, and when to stay patient. Let's break down support, resistance, trends, moving averages, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci retracements, volume analysis, and candlestick basics. Everything you need in one clear and simple video. 1. Support. Support is a price level where the market tends to stop falling because buying interest increases. Think of it as the floor of the chart. Every time the price reaches that zone, buyers step in and push it back up. Support levels help traders identify potential buying zones. 2. Resistance. Resistance is the opposite. A price level where the market stops rising because selling pressure increases. This acts like the ceiling of the chart. Resistance helps traders decide where to book profits or look for reversal signals. 3. Trend. Uptrend, downtrend, sideways. Uptrend. Higher highs plus higher lows. Buyers are in control. Best for buying opportunities. Downtrend. Lower highs plus lower lows. Sellers dominate. Be cautious or look for selling opportunities. Sideways trend. Price moves horizontally. Market waits for a breakout. Best for range trading. Buy at support, sell at resistance. 4. Moving averages. 20, 50, 200 MA. 20 MA. Short-term trend. Helps identify short-term momentum and pullbacks. 50 MA. Medium-term trend. Useful for swing traders. Price above 50 MA, bullish. Below, bearish. 200 MA. Long-term trend. Major trend indicator. Institutions watch this level heavily. Price above 200 MA equals long-term uptrend. Price below 200 MA equals long-term downtrend. 5. RSI. Relative Strength Index. RSI measures momentum and identifies overbought and oversold levels. Above 70 equals overbought. Price may fall. Below 30 equals oversold. Price may rise. RSI helps traders understand the strength of a trend and whether a reversal might occur. 6. MACD. Moving Average, Convergence, Divergence. MACD shows trend direction and momentum using MACD line, signal line, histogram. Key signals. MACD line crosses above signal line. Buy crosses below, sell. Histogram expansion equals stronger trend. MACD is powerful for spotting trend reversals and continuation signals. 7. Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands use volatility to measure when price is stretched. Upper band, overbought area. Lower band, oversold area. Middle band, 20 MA, trend baseline. Bands widen when volatility increases and contract during low volatility. Great for timing breakouts and identifying tops and bottoms. 8. Fibonacci retracement. These levels help identify possible pullback zones during an uptrend or downtrend. Key levels: 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%. Traders often look for price to retrace to these levels before continuing in the direction of the trend. 9. Volume analysis. Volume shows the strength behind price moves. Price up plus high volume equals strong uptrend. Price up plus low volume equals weak rally. Price down plus high volume equals strong selling pressure. Breakouts are more reliable when accompanied by increasing volume. 10. Candlestick basics. Candlesticks show 4 key data points: open, high, low, close. Bullish candle close greater than open indicates buying pressure. Bearish candle close let the open shows selling pressure. Popular patterns: hammer, doji, engulfing patterns. These help traders understand market psychology and predict reversals. These are the most important technical analysis terms that help you understand when to enter and exit trades. Master these concepts and you'll gain clarity, confidence, and control in the markets. In the upcoming videos, we'll dive even deeper into technical analysis. We will cover every major candlestick type, every price action pattern, all the important technical indicators, and many more advanced concepts, each explained clearly and in detail. So stay tuned. The best is yet to come. Thank you for watching. In this video, we covered the essential technical analysis concepts that help traders understand when to enter or exit a trade, including support and resistance, trends, moving averages, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci levels, volume, and candlestick basics. These tools are powerful on their own, but even stronger when used together. Let me know, which indicator do you use the most? Your support means a lot. Hit like, share this with someone who's learning, and don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you stay updated with all our upcoming videos.